Hello, dear viewers! Welcome to our Mexico series. So, last November we went to Mexico. We visited Quintana Roo, Yucatan, Oaxaca, Puerto Vallarta, Guadalajara, and Mexico City. So, we divided our series into parts, and today we're gonna show you our series about Holbox.
So actually, we first arrived to Cancun airport from Vienna, and our plan was basically to rent a car, go from Cancun all the way to Chiquila, because that's the only city where you can take a ferry to Holbox. The problem is our timing was a little bit tight, and the plane got delayed. So we ended up taking a car very late, and we missed our ferry. The point is, we had to drive late at night. We had basically no cash with us, no pesos, very little fuel in a rental car. Crazy no phone. The phones were discharged. Potholes on the road, and since we missed our ferry and
sleep, we didn't have sleep before for 36 hours or something.
Yeah, so and we had to, since we actually missed our ferry to Holbox and our accommodation was in Holbox, we had to seek an emergency accommodation in Chiquila actually to wait overnight.
There was the only option available,
yeah.
So we just took it and we went to sleep.
Exactly. So
and the next we show you in the video.
Hello everyone.
Good morning from Chiquila. Yesterday we didn't make it to come in time. We were late for the last ferry, unfortunately, so we had to stay here. And here is our room.
Pretty traditional Mexican style.
It was one of the last options, so yeah. And
now we're gonna go.
Very important to take cash everywhere in Mexico. Pesos.
Yeah. So
we don't have cash.
We are
get
going
some
to
cash.
get somehow. With some local peeps, but for not very favorable rates, but we didn't have any other choice for now. But yeah, definitely learn from our mistakes.
Here we arrived to Holbox. We can still see some decorations left from the Day of the Dead, which Mexicans like to celebrate.
Yeah. All right. The question is, how do we pass here?
Any suggestions? Should we swim, walk?
Yeah, I can try. And these guys are pumping out water from the streets. How do you like this beach?
I love Holbox. And we are going now to a couple of beaches. Let's see what's gonna be.
Yeah, let's go.
We are in Playa Punta Cocos, and here the tide is very low. We can go much further into the water. Let's try that. a bit of a flood here.
We are with mangroves.
Will we spot a crocodile or not? Let's
We might.
They say that the sunsets in Holbox are magical, and now we understand why people say that.
Oh yeah, it's absolutely. Here we have some nachos de pollo, chicken.
Let's try it out. Some tacos de camarones and as well as guacamole.
Niños se nos ofrecían droga, escuchabas las mujeres insultando feo. Y luego, antes de entrar.
Chilaquiles is a traditional Mexican breakfast dish consisting of corn tortillas cut into quarters and lightly fried. And this one is with chicken. Is it delicious, Kemal?
Very much so, yeah. Incredible.
Now we are heading to Merida, Valladolid, Chichen Itza, so long way waiting for us.
So